turbo is completely seized, we'll turbo is completely seized, we'll need the heavy impact wrench for the axles too.
All right, I'll start on the front axle now. The corrosion on this turbo is severe. We're looking at a full rebuild here.
And the engine is seized solid. This is going to take time.
Look at this turbo, it's completely seized. Yeah, the chassis is worse than we thought. We'll need the cutting torch for these bolts.
Look at the corrosion on this turbo. The whole engine block is seized.
Got it. And the axles are completely caked in mud. We'll need the impact wrench for these bolts.
The pressure readings are all over the place.
It is definitely the turbo. We need to get this off and assess the damage before we can proceed.
This heavy hauler hasn't moved in years. We start by tackling the seized axles and the corroded turbo system.
Make sure that turbo is seated correctly before I tighten this mount.
Almost there. Hand me the 3/4 socket.
The diesel engine teardown is the most critical phase of this heavy hauler rebuild. With the chassis reinforced, we move on to surface prep. The team is now securing the drivetrain using the heavy impact tools.
With the chassis reinforced and the drivetrain rebuilt, we can finally focus on the paint, starting with a high-build epoxy primer. The drivetrain is fully rebuilt and the chassis reinforced. Now it's time for surface preparation and that heavy-duty industrial paint.
Hit that bolt with the air wrench. Make sure it's torqued right.
All right, she's tight now. Pressure's holding steady on the turbo.
Check the exhaust temp, making sure it aligns with the baseline.
Okay, torque is good. The diagnostics are clear. All right, let's check the alignment on the housing.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Looks good, holding steady at 75 PSI.
With the rebuild complete, we begin the critical torque test to ensure everything is operating within spec.